hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on the wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you.
Hey, you! Cut out that noise!
Go lay an egg.
Boy, oh boy, what a day for a swim. Hey, Pop, where's everybody going?
We're all going south. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Blow your head off. See if I can. Oh, pardon me. Boy, oh boy, what of you? What of you? Hey, Herbie, remove the derby. Well, well, soda pop. Come on, open up, open up! Ah! The Billy Barber Shop. Tony Figaro prop. That's very interesting. Very interesting. What's this? Need a haircut? Come in. We'll give you a good trimming. Yeah, and I'll bet he ain't kidding either. The pip-dip with a drip-clip. The rinky-dink with a stinky kink. A victory haircut. What can I lose with a victory? Hello there. This is Secret Agent W-O-O-D-Y.
Okay, Woody, I'm turning the job over to you. I want you to bring in Louie the Litterbug.
Will do, Chiefy. Consider it done. Now the old fountain pen. Now I'm gonna rub him out. He can't get away. I'll send up my radio-controlled helicopter with TV camera. I will... Or Woodpecker.
Or a puff. What is that?
Hey, Joe, give me my dog. Perfection. For sale? Say it ain't so, Joe. You can't sell your cart. Oh, where will I go for such delectable dogs? Such terrific tube steaks. Such wonderful... Yes, sir. Welcome to Universal Studios. I'm Woody Woodpecker. I'll be your guide today. At Universal Studios, we have exciting theme areas based on the movie world. Today in the park, we're having a stamp collection contest. Every attraction features special games. If you win a game, you'll earn a stamp. Let's begin by taking a walk around the park. This place is very... Poachers in my forest. This ought to be fun. Come on. Hello, boys. Guess who? Now it's your turn. Come on, kids. Show me what you got. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Woody! Now, as for you two, where were we? Whoa! Get ready to go commando. Maybe it wouldn't be so bad if they stuck around.